Hi everybody, welcome back another video. In this video we are going to learn how to use auxiliary verb need. We are here. Are you ready? Here we go. Verb need is used as a modal verb to express necessity or requirements. Now let's see the grammar structure. Pronouns plus need verb plus infinitive of verb. Keep in mind and look at this information. If there are any words or expressions that you don't know, please check your English dictionary. Now our learning objective. We are going to list some activities that we need to do to learn English. For example, I need to write sentences in English. I need to read every day. I need to memorize verbs. I need to study every day. Next one, vocabulary. Sentences every day, verbs. Now our homework. Make a list about examples, memorize examples. And last one, we are going to check our progress. Pronouns, verbs, nouns, sentences. I need to write sentences in English. I need to read every day. I need to memorize verbs. I need to study every day. Vocabulary, sentences every day, verbs. That's all for this lesson. We are going to continue in the next video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.